So guys, once you're in the Opera browser, we're going to click on the Opera logo in the top left. And now we're going to click on settings. And then once we're on this, we're going to click on the browser tab. And now we're going to scroll down till we get to languages. You're going to scroll down until we get to preferred languages. And then once you're on this, if you already see your language here, then you're going to click on the three dots. Make sure you have display operating this language selected. You're going to select this right here. And then you're going to click on move to the top. So make sure it's the first language. And then click on the three dots. And then you have display operating this language selected. If you do not see your language here, then you're going to click on add languages. You can now add any language that you want. Let's say I want to do English Australia. I'm going to add this. And then click on add. And then do the same thing. Let's say that I want English Australia to be my main language. I'm going to click on the three dots. I'm going to click on display operating this language. And then I want to move it to the top. And it could also move it to the top for you automatically. And then you're going to click on relaunch. It's now going to relaunch Opera. And then that's how you do it.